It's been 75 years since extreme bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, which killed thousands of lives. But this incident hasn't stopped many of countries from building more powerful weapons. Let's figure out what will happen if a mad authority decides to nuke a city. The time won't be able to cope up with the bomb, and the bomb will turn into a big ball of plasma hotter than anything on this earth. This fear will rule its way all over, destroying people, trees, animals, and big concrete structures which will come its path. This ball will rise to a range of 2 kilometers, burning everything and everyone in this range. The outside the range will notice an intense blast of light which will destroy our eyesight for days. The heat generated from this ball is so strong that the thermal energy emitted will burn down everything flammable within 13 kilometers of range, and slowly people will be tortured by burning and will die. Intense blast of light will be followed by immediate shock waves. These shock waves will continue to travel for 175 kilometers. In that range, no concrete structure will stand. All trees would be thrown like matchsticks and people will be flown in the air like paper. The factories and exploding gas stations, vehicles with fuel increase the fire, which will kill thousands of innocent lives. As hospitals are wrecked and frontline workers are no more or are injured, will not be able to save the people, and those wounded will eventually lose the battle of life. Soon, a grayish mushroom cloud will rise in the air, engulfing the city into darkness. The fire burning inside this cloud creates this soot, and as cloud rises, the fire gets more supply of oxygen to burn, and thus it increases the fire. Soon, a windstorm will be created, and the wind will turn a small fire into a firestorm, burning everyone and everything stuck in the rubble. This fire will spread, and those people who are well outside the bombings will be also burnt. People who find themselves at bunkers or underground will think that they are no more in danger. But as they go out, strange black rain will pour. This rain contaminates the air with poison, and further, the people will succumb to death. Dear friends, we are not ready for a destruction in this big scale. Let's raise our voice against nuclear weapons and hope that no more nuclear power weapons or wars will be there in our world.